Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you a shortcut for emails in Gmail. So let's go in Gmail. Here's one here. Happy 2000, New Year. These are a screenshot. Thank you, my friend. Very helpful. Let's reply to this. Reply. Give him a heart. Let's reply. See this little icon here? That's the microphone. You click on that and just push it out once. Hi, thank you very much for that nice comment. Nice comment. Send. Now, I'm going to show you something else here. Go back. Let's go this one here. I want to show you what happens when you lose this icon here. For some reason it's not showing up here. Anyways, what will happen here is sometimes you lose this icon. Let's give this guy a kid all the time. Friends, helping hard. That's a very magical flying card. So let's add it's an interesting little story to here. So let's click on the microphone. That's an interesting story. Happy New Year. Send it. Now it's I'm trying to show you when you lose that. When you lose this here, what happens is it gets stuck along the top menu bar here. You'll see a little arrow. If you lose this, you see a little arrow. You go this way or that way. You click on the arrow, and you see this microphone pop up again. And you can use the microphone for replying to your messages. Now this is very handy if you have bad spelling and bad grammar. Just use text to speech and or speech to text. And it makes you replying to the emails quicker, accurate. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price, Natty Design Studio, and Random User 910. You can be here too. Link below.